Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about arithmetic expression. Okay, an expression is a combination of operands and operators that after evaluation results in a single value. That means expression means a combination of operands and operators, okay, which results a single value. Okay, the operand consists of, or the operand means it may be constants or variable, and operator means or operator consists of the operators like plus, minus, division or multiplication, etc. Okay, this is about expression. For example, if you take a plus b, okay, a plus b is an expression, right? So here a and b are the operands, okay. That means a and b are either constants or variables, and the plus is operator, okay. This is about an expression. Next, expression can be infix expression, postfix expression and prefix expression. We can be classified into three types. Infix expression means if an operator is in between two operands, it is called as infix expression, okay. If operator is in the between two operands, we call it as infix expression. For example, a plus b, right, where a and b are the two operands and plus is the operator and placed in between the two operand, right? Here plus is the operator placed in between the two operand. So expression like this we call it as infix expression. Next is postfix expression. If an operator follows the two operands, it is called as postfix expression, okay. That means here for example ab plus, it is the example for postfix expression. Here a and b are two operands, right? Plus is the operator. Here plus follows the two operands a and b. So this is the postfix expression. Here operator follows the two operands, right? Third is prefix expression. An operator precedes the two operands. It is called as prefix expression. That means here for example plus ab, it is an expression. That means plus precedes the operands a and b, okay, prefix, okay. That means the operator is before the two operands or any operands. We call it as prefix expression. Algorithm for infix to postfix. That means here we are converting infix expression into postfix expression, okay. Algorithm for infix to postfix expression. How to convert infix expression into postfix expression. Examine the next element in the input. First step is, that means here if you want to input the element, we have to examine the element we are going to input, okay. If it is operand, if the input is an operand, we have to directly output it, okay. If it is opening parenthesis, push it on stack, okay. Opening parenthesis, okay. If we have the input as opening parenthesis, we have to push it on the stack, okay. If it is an operator, then, okay, if the input is an operator, Then if we have to check if the stack is empty, then push operator onto stack. Otherwise, if the top of the stack is opening parenthesis, push operator on the stack. Okay, we have to check the inputs. If it is an operator, we have to check these conditions. First, if the stack is empty, then push operator onto the stack directly. Otherwise, if the top of the stack is opening parenthesis, then push operator on the stack. If it has a higher priority, if the input has higher priority than the top of the stack, then push operator on the stack. Okay, these are the conditions if the input is an operator. Okay, else pop the operator from the stack and output it the, that means if the input is not higher priority of the stack, then we have to, or we have to pop the operator from the stack into the output. Okay, then we have to repeat the step 4. We have to check the other inputs. This is how we will convert infix to postfix. Next is if it is a closing parenthesis. Okay, if it is a input is a closing parenthesis, then we have to pop the operators from the stack and output them until an opening parenthesis is encountered. That means if we get a opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis, in between we have a operator, for example plus, then we have to pop this operator into output directly. Then next step is if there is a more input, then we have to go to step 1. Okay, after pop this operator into output, after that we have more input, then we have to go the next step 1. First, if there is a no input, pop the remaining operators to the output. Okay, this is how we will convert infix to postfix expression. Here we have an example how to convert infix into postfix expression. 2 into 3 divided by 2 minus 1 plus 5 into 3. This is our expression, and we have to convert this infix expression into postfix form. So here we have 3 columns: expression, stack, output. Okay, here it is an expression: 2 into 3 divided by 2 minus 1 plus 5 into 3. This is our expression, right? So we have to input it. We have first input as 2, right? So we have to directly pop it into the output 2. The next is into, right? So we have to push into stack and write as it is 2 in the output. Next input is 3, right? So in the stack we have to write into mark and again 3 push into the output 2, 3, right? Then we have divided by operator here. Input as divided by operator. Here we have into in the stack, top of the stack we have into, right? Multiplication sign, right? So multiplication sign and divided by sign has same priority, right? So which have same priority, then we can't put it together in the stack. So that's why we will push this stack, this multiplication symbol into output. Then again we have parenthesis, write divided by and parenthesis in the stack and output as it is. Then we have 2, directly push into the output. Then we have minus, push into the stack, write output as it is. Next we have 1 as an input, directly push into the output. Next we have closing parenthesis, right? So here we get opening parenthesis minus closing parenthesis. Then we have to pop this minus operator into directly output column. Then we have plus operator, push into the stack, and we have operator input operand 5, push into the output. Next has into, push into the stack column, and next we have an input as operator 3, then directly push into the output. Again we have to write plus and star or multiplication operators pop into the output column, and we get finally the postfix expression. These are the some another examples to convert infix to postfix expression.